In this video, I will show you how to install fog lights on your 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord sedan. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by opening the hood. Remove 4 10mm bolts on the bottom of your front bumper. Now remove 6 plastic clips indicated by the red arrows. Remove a Phillips head screw and the fender well. Onto the top of the bumper, go ahead and remove 10 plastic clips indicated by the arrows. Now we can remove the front bumper. On the back of the bumper, release the plastic retaining tabs to remove the fog light hole cover. Now, cut off the small pieces inside the fog light mounting holes, as you see here. Now we can position the spring nuts in the slits of the mounting holes. Fasten the metal brackets with 2 Phillips head screws. Place the fog light assembly in the mounting hole, then secure it in position with a Phillips head screw. Now back onto the car. Here, we will remove a plastic clip, then the hood latch cover. Now loosen the 10mm bolt you see here. Then fasten the fog light harness ground wire behind the bolt and tighten it. Run the fog light harness along the factory harness, then fasten with zip ties. Now, go ahead and replace the hood latch cover. Onto the inside of the cabin, we will remove a Phillips head screw. Tug on the bottom of the dashboard lower cover to remove it. Next, remove the dashboard under cover. On the switch harness, we'll want to snip off the connectors attached to the red wire and the white wire. Here, you want to remove one of the switch lids and put the fog light switch in its place. Now go under the dash. Using a test light, we will need to find a 12-volt power wire and an ACC power wire. Connect the white wire to the 12-volt power wire found earlier with a quick connector. Next, connect the red wire to the ACC power wire. Now we want to find a suitable grounding bolt to attach the switch harness ground wire to. Let's go ahead and attach the ground wire to the bolt you see here. Here, we will cut a small slit in this rubber grommet, then run the switch harness power wire through it. Moving on to the engine bay, we will remove 2 plastic clips, then the air duct cover. Pull the switch harness power wire forward towards the front of the car, then connect it to the extension wire. Now connect the other end of the extension wire to the fog light harness. Zip tie the extension wire to the factory wire harness. Back inside the car, we will zip tie the loose wires from the switch harness to the factory wire harness. Now we can replace everything in reverse order, making sure to connect the fog light switch to the fog light switch harness and the fog lights to the fog light harness when doing so. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.